Let's get moving.
Yeah! Kick some ass! Come on, girls! Kick some ass!
Let's go.
Kill me already!
Juliet! I hope you work things out with your boyfriend!
I think we could if he stopped being a jerk.
Hey! I'm the one who's being kidnapped!
I'll cover you until I'm out of ammo! Go!
Fuck you and fuck yeah!
You're already dead. Kill. Juliet, you can make it! Go! Also, did I tell you I love your hair that way?
Awesome! Being ahead, fuck everything, rah rah, how's that?
Seriously, it was terrible. But I bet you'll get better with practice. Juliet, it's Rosalind! I just found a stray dog and it's so cute! Do you think Mommy will let me keep it? I hope so. I love it so much! Wait, never mind. The fucking thing just ran away.
This can't be happening.
Oh. If only I had protected you.
Oh no, he's dead. But I guess he'd want us to move on and be positive. Check it out!
Whoa. The final battle. This is heavy.
You're bumming me out.
I think we're gonna die.
Be more positive, Nick.
All right. We're gonna die quickly. Oh my god.
It's a party! Stop it!
If I had an ass, I'd be shitting all over everything right now.
I would never tell anyone, Nick. Because I love you so much.
You know, it's really hard being a downer around you sometimes. It's like you bum out my bummer and transform into something good, and I hate it.
You're adorable.
Juliet, I see it. Hold on to something. Here. Well, that's it. I'll make sure you're protected from anything that gets in your way.
Well, here I go.
Good luck to both of you. Nick, you may not be the guy I'd pick for my daughter, but you're obviously the guy she'd pick for herself. And she's always been a hell of a lot smarter than me.
Thanks.
This is incredible. Juliet, you actually made it. Fantastic.
You! How could you do this? To our school! To the people we loved! What?
Juliet!
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Look who it is. Mary Kate and Ashley.
Oh, Juliet. I've been getting so lonely since you've been wasting all my dark purveyors. Poor Louis here is the only one left.
And there's about to be none.
Ah, cocky little whore. I like that.
Bring it on, douchebag. I'm gonna F you up.
I love your passion, babe. Looks like we can make beautiful death together. I've got a feeling when I start playing, you're just gonna die! Rock and roll is here to stay. You're not.
Whole lot of shaking going on. Your turn, you whiny MySpace-haired jerk!
Fantastic work, Juliet. You've done everything just as I hoped you would, start to finish. Thanks for your cooperation. Now the real deal is fulfilled.
What? What are you talking about?
You incredibly hot idiot. I told you, for the gates of hell to open, a ritual must be enacted. And you were part of it all along. I set this whole thing up, you fools! Now the ceremony has been completed! A pawn, you, had to sacrifice 5 pre-selected zombies, and they must utter the sacred words at the point of their deaths. Meus vita rege pro nefario coepto.
Why? Why are you doing all of this?
Because you're just like everyone else! You pretended to be different, but you're not!
What? Me?
Yes, Juliet, you! This is the end. The real end to everything. This school, this world, deserves to be destroyed. It rejected me. It ridiculed me. So I'll make this rotten world even more rotten. Rot away. Rot away. Rot. 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 So fuck all of you. Your eternal screams of horror will be my pop music.
It's the zombie of zombies, Killabilly.
Yesterday, I stubbed my toe. I was like, this is the worst day ever. Yeah, not quite.